Right now, millions of Americans are relieved that prices might not rise, at least for the next 90 days. This is because the tariffs the US placed on Chinese goods have been temporarily paused. But while that may seem like good news, there are other pressing issues that could still push prices higher. Earlier this week, President Trump publicly told Walmart to absorb the tariffs, after Walmart's CEO and CFO warned that prices were expected to rise. In today's video, I'll break down what's really going on, what the Treasury Secretary just said, and why rising prices might still be unavoidable. Before we get started, if you enjoy these updates, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Now, let's get into it. What's happening with tariffs and prices? Tariffs on many countries are currently around 10%, but for China, they're as high as 30%. At one point, there was even talk of tariffs going up to 145%, but that didn't happen right away. Why? Because retailers were sitting on large inventories. They didn't need to adjust prices immediately. But now, we're reaching the point where that inventory is running low, and new stock, imported under the higher tariffs, is coming in. That means we're starting to see price increases. According to a Fox News report, Treasury Secretary Bessant recently spoke with Walmart CEO Doug McMillon. Bessant said that while Walmart plans to absorb some of the tariffs, the company will still have to pass on some costs to consumers to remain profitable. President Trump, however, issued a warning on Truth Social, saying, Walmart should stop trying to blame tariffs as a reason for raising prices throughout the chain. Walmart made billions last year. Between Walmart and China, they should eat the tariffs and not charge valued customers anything. I'll be watching, and so will your customers. Retailers disagree. They argue they can't keep prices the same without losing money. Costco, for example, has stated they might temporarily stop selling certain products if the profit margins no longer make sense. How retailers raise prices gradually to avoid shocking consumers. Retailers often increase prices in small increments. Let's use a basic example. Say a pack of markers costs $1 today, but new stock will cost $2 next month due to tariffs. Rather than jump straight from $1 to $2, retailers might raise the price gradually. $1 right pointing arrow $1.15 $1.15 right pointing arrow $1.25 $1.25 right pointing arrow $1.50 $1.50 right pointing arrow $1.75 $1.75 right pointing arrow $2. Small increases don't trigger the same sticker shock as a sudden price hike, so consumers are less likely to stop buying. This is what you should expect over the next several weeks. Slow and steady price increases. What happens next? Retailers still have inventory that wasn't affected by the newer tariffs. But once that runs out, they'll have to restock with goods that do carry the higher costs. That's when prices will rise more noticeably, on everything from electronics to everyday essentials. Even if you're not buying Chinese products, the ripple effect will impact a wide range of goods. Walmart and other major chains may absorb some costs, but not all. Bessant also pointed out that gas prices are a top concern for Walmart customers. While fuel costs have come down, it's still a sensitive area, and any new pressure could reverse that trend quickly. Final thought in short, yes, the tariffs are paused for now, but that doesn't mean price hikes are off the table. Retailers are already adjusting prices in anticipation of higher costs down the line. We'll continue to monitor this situation closely. As soon as new information becomes available, I'll bring you the latest updates right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on important news. I'll see you in the next video.